Step 6. Optimize an image. 2D mode. To start a scan in 2D mode, press the Gain 2D key on the control panel. To adjust gain, rotate the Gain 2D key. Press Depth key to increase or decrease depth. To change focal zone, press an arrow. Also, you can increase number of focus. Press the multi-key, then press the down arrow, and by pressing the multi-key again, fix the number. You can move the focal zone again. And to finish multi-focus, press multi and press up arrow and press multi again to fix it. Adjust TGC slide controls. Soft key menus. In the 2D mode, those functions are assigned into the soft keys. Press or rotate the corresponding soft key to select the following imaging functions: frequency and live dual, dynamic range and gray map, rejection and colorize, virtual convex and needle vision plus, angle steer and rotation. For example, if you want to change dynamic range, rotate the soft key number 2 to adjust dynamic range. M mode. On the control panel, press the M key to activate M mode. Move the M line to the anatomy of interest by using the trackball. Rotate the Gain 2D key to change the initial gain for M mode. To change the sweep speed, rotate the soft key 5 to adjust a setting. To review the M mode trace, press the freeze key and use the trackball to scroll forward or backward. To exit M mode, press the M key or the Gain 2D key. Soft key menus. In the M mode, those functions are assigned into the soft keys. Press or rotate the corresponding soft key to select the following imaging functions: anatomical M, dynamic range and gray map, rejection and colorize, sweep and full M. To use anatomical M function, rotate the corresponding soft key, then adjust angle. If you want to adjust 2D image parameter, use Active Mode by pressing U2 key. Active Mode allows you to change 2D parameters. Color Flow Mode. Press the CF key on the control panel. The CF window appears over the 2D mode image. The system places the ROI. Use the trackball to reposition the ROI. To resize the ROI, press the Set key. The ROI outline is changed to a dotted yellow line, then move the trackball. Press the Set key again to set the size. You can also steer the ROI box according to the flow direction of vessel by rotating soft key 3. And as you rotate the gain, color gain is increased. Depending on the velocity of flow, you may need to change the PRF. Rotate soft key 2 to increase or decrease velocity. Soft key menus. In the CF mode, those functions are assigned into the soft keys. Press or rotate the corresponding soft key to select the following imaging functions: frequency and live dual, PRF and wall filter, angle steer and persist, baseline and color map, invert and threshold. Power Doppler mode. Press the PD key on the control panel. The Power Doppler window appears over the 2D mode image. Use the trackball to change the position of the color box. Press the Set key and use the trackball to change the size of the color box and press the Set key again to fix the size. Soft key menus. In the Power Doppler mode, those functions are assigned into the soft keys. Press or rotate the corresponding soft key to select the following imaging functions: frequency and live dual, PRF and wall filter, angle steer and persist, baseline and color map, invert and threshold. Pulsed wave Doppler mode. Press the PW key to activate the Pursed wave Doppler mode. Adjust the position of the sample volume using the trackball. To change the sample volume size, rotate the soft key 1. To adjust the angle to flow correction, press the soft key 3 and rotate the angle correct soft key. To change the sweep speed, press the soft key 4 and rotate the sweep soft key. If you miss the Doppler signal, press Update to relocate the PW gate while the Doppler spectrum is paused. Once you correct the PW gate, press Update again. Auto calculation. In PW mode, auto calculation mode allows you to automatically calculate and display a variety of measured values, such as peak velocities ratios and heart rates. If you'd like to use the AutoCalc function, rotate Select key and press the key to select AutoCalc. Then rotate Select key again to activate the function. If you choose Frozen, auto calculation will be activated when freezing the image. A blue line will be displayed over the spectrum and measurement values will be in the result window. If you set the status Live, the result values will be continuously updated. And depending on your preference, change the direction of spectrum line using the Select key. Soft key menus. In the pulsed wave Doppler mode, those functions are assigned into the soft keys. Press or rotate the corresponding soft key to select the following imaging functions: sample volume and frequency, PRF and wall filter, angle steer and angle correct, baseline and sweep, invert and full D. Continuous wave Doppler, tissue Doppler imaging. For using those features, you need an additional request to your local agent. It also requires the phased array transducers such as SP1 5T, CWD. Depending on the option, your system may have CW key. But in this video, we will assign Opt key to CWD mode. Make sure that the dedicated transducer is connected to your system. In 2D mode, press the Opt key on the control panel. To adjust the angle to flow correction, rotate the angle correct soft key. To change the sweep speed, rotate the sweep soft key. To exit CWD mode, press the Opt key or the Gain 2D key. TDI. PW Tissue Doppler, Color 2D Tissue Doppler combination imaging modes are available. In Color Flow mode, select TDI on the context menu. Using Select key, Color 2D Tissue Doppler mode is activated. To activate PW Tissue Doppler mode, press the PW key. To exit TDI mode, select TDI on the context menu again or click on the 2D button.